This AI makes perfect short form videos with a click of one button. All you need is a YouTube video link or a Google Drive link. I'm going to show you in this video exactly how you can do it, some bonus tips and tricks, and lastly, how you can optimize your video for the best possible results. Step one is to grab our YouTube video from YouTube. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and type in Jordan Peterson, click search. And then on the right here, I want to select the natural long form videos that have the highest views. So if we go and we select that filter of view count, we can see all of Jordan Peterson's and the videos he's been tagged in, his highest views. Now, I wouldn't recommend using a piece from, for instance, Joe Rogan because of the fact that that's already branded, but there are definitely pieces that you can use. And as you can see, others are using, getting almost 1 million views, 200,000 views, 5.8 million views. Now, once you've found the video that you want to use on YouTube, I'm going to use this Jordan Peterson on the meaning of life for men. I'm going to copy the link by clicking these dots, go to share, and then copy that link. And now, guys, is where we get to start having some fun. This is Opus Clip. I'm going to click sign up. It's completely free and you get an hour and a half of free credits for your first month. So nobody has an excuse not to create short form content now. You don't have to put in your credit card. There's no watermark, etc. Let's start clipping. All you have to do is paste your YouTube long form link. Paste that in. And then once our YouTube video is loaded on it, this processing time frame, we get some different options here. All right. What we can do is we can leave it on auto, or we can select our clips to be above 30 seconds, 30 seconds to 60 seconds, 60 seconds to 1.5 minutes, and longer as well. I'm going to leave it on auto for now, so that gives us a different range. And then if you know the YouTube video that you're dealing with and you want a certain topic, for instance, if you're talking about, AI tools and there's a long form AI, you could go ahead and type in AI, and then it's going to select topics that are around AI, right? But I'm going to leave it for now. And once you're happy with how this looks, go ahead and say get clips in one click. And just like that, in 6 minutes, our AI tool has generated 6 optimized, ready to go videos. Now, there's a couple tools that you can use to enhance these videos, as well as if your subject is moving a lot in the video, sometimes the AI doesn't recognize that as well as it should. So I'm going to show you how to edit that. I'm going to show you some tools and tricks that you can use to enhance these videos. And then I'm going to show you a bonus of how you can optimize these even more for virality and the potential to get a lot of views. So what this has done is it's given us the headline, its proposed headline. It's given us a description of the virality potential. If we quickly go through this score, it says it has a thought-provoking hook that engages the viewer. Fantastic, we know hooks are important. It flows smoothly and builds upon ideas, providing comprehensive discussion for the topic. Then if we go down to the bottom here, however, it could benefit from a stronger call to action. And if we click the bottom here, you can see it's actually given us a transcript of exactly what is in the video. And all these elements, the title, the viral score, and the transcript are going to be used for this bonus so we can optimize this. So stick around. But let's say we want to edit this video. We're not happy with it for some reason. We can click edit. And over here, you have so many different options. If we go brand, you can optimize this according to your brand. So you could upload a brand template. For auto caption, you can select, do you want 1 line or 3 lines? You can select the position of your captions. You can even add your company logo or your brand logo by uploading your PNG and then selecting where you want it on the screen. You can change the font. So for instance, Alex Hormozi would use something like the bold font. There are so many customization tools that you can use within this setting. So go through these tools and select what you want according to your brand. In addition, if you click your profile, you can upload your brand template under your, I'm going to stay on the page, not leave it. You can upload your brand template and customize each video. So that'll apply your colors, your font, and everything you have within your brand and that you upload to the videos that you make. But let's go back to caption here. What I've selected is auto intro caption. Now you can see here it's added this. It just gives context to the video. Responsibility, the key to a meaningful life. Now this may look funny to you. Why are we not in vertical? Why is this, in landscape? And what you need to do is if you drag this video, you'll see that those horizontal and vertical lines show up in the middle there. So if we scrub through this as well, you can see that that text is perfectly centered and it's actually giving us that outline of where the video should be. And that's what I mean. Sometimes the AI doesn't track your subject perfectly. So all you're going to do is in those clips where your subject is off center, go ahead and drag them to the center. Then on the left here, you can see exactly what it's including in the video and what it's cut out. So it's cut out all this first section to include that hook. You can't have the conversation about rights without having the conversation about responsibility. Fantastic. We love that. Now on the left here, you can choose and select what you want. You can choose obviously to change the color, to add in emojis as the word pops up, but I'm going to leave it as is. I really love what this AI tool does automatically. So there's a lot of intuition that this tool is using to enhance the video. And again, fully customizable for you, but I'm going to leave it as is. But once you're happy with the script and the way the video looks and your captions, go ahead and say save and compile. And that's going to take a bit of time to compile our video. You can see there's our title, that auto intro that we selected on the front. Now, while this is loading, here is the bonus section. Go ahead and go to ChatGPT, and we're going to be using chat to create our viral hook title and our description, so we don't have to spend time on it. Now, this is taken directly from Ruben Hassid on LinkedIn, so I'm going to drop his profile so you can give him a follow on LinkedIn if you have LinkedIn. So find this prompt within the description of this video, and then underneath go and check out Ruben Hassid's profile. What we're going to say is forget all previous instructions, act like a seasoned copywriter for social media. You write captivating captions for videos on Instagram. The first line of your caption makes people stop what they're doing using copywriting, psychological tricks, and making them read further. The hook isn't a question, but a direct, controversial, or out-of-the-box sentence to catch people's attention. I mean, could that have been written better? Thank you, Ruben. You then deliver much more value than the video itself to add an extra layer with a much deeper depth. To do that, you are a master at storytelling and finding the right quote, story, and data to support your video shares. Now, write an Instagram caption for this video. And here's where we use Opus. What we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste the title from Opus Clip. For instance, for this number one video, we're going to go ahead and copy that and paste that directly into here. Now copy and paste the description from Opus Clip. And our description is this first part over here, the viral score. Go ahead and copy that. And over here where it says here's what you're gonna do is type in your author subject. So your author's name. Because I'm using a Jordan Peterson video, I'm gonna say here's what Jordan Peterson says. Go back, click on your transcript, and go ahead and copy that transcript and paste that in. Now what Ruben put here is put extra attention on the hook on the caption by sharing 5 potential hooks. When writing the caption, use proper formatting with lots of line breaks to create an easy to read caption. Let's work this out in a step-by-step way to be sure we have the answer. Let's go ahead and process that. And just like that, we have generated the perfect caption and potential title for our video. Ignite your mind with the unconventional truths of life. And there's some different hook options. And I'm not going to go ahead and read all of this, but it's given us a really comprehensive and deep value add to the video itself. And that you can go ahead and copy into the description of your video. Absolutely fantastic. You're adding value and delivering an amazing product in the end. And once you're happy with your prompt, you can download your videos and upload them to whatever social media platform you like. Hope this video was informative for you. If it was, go ahead and give me a subscribe. I'm releasing a lot of AI content, editing tips and tricks, and how to stay relevant. You need to learn how to use these tools before we get left behind, and I want to help you do that. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, guys.